The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a bold entry in the competitive mid-range smartphone market, aiming to deliver flagship-grade features at a more accessible price. One of its standout features is its massive 8,000 mAh battery, a rare offering in modern smartphones, promising ultra-long endurance for heavy users, gamers, travelers, or anyone who needs multi-day battery life without constantly reaching for a charger. This enormous battery is expected to support fast charging technology, possibly up to 68 W or higher, allowing users to refuel quickly despite the high capacity. Under the hood, the Note 60 Pro Plus is rumored to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, a powerful and efficient chipset built for smooth multitasking, gaming, and everyday performance. It's paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and a generous 512 GB of internal storage, giving users both speed and space to handle demanding apps, high-resolution videos, and a large photo library. Photography is another major highlight, with a rumored 200MP main rear camera that positions the device among the elite in mobile imaging. This sensor is likely to be enhanced with advanced AI algorithms, ultra-high-resolution shooting modes, and capable low-light performance, making it ideal for users who want professional-level photo results without carrying a DSLR. The front camera is also expected to support high-quality selfies and 4K video calls. The phone may feature a 120Hz AMOLED or IPS LCD display, offering smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and a great experience for gaming or streaming. Other features could include 5G support, dual stereo speakers, a side or in-display fingerprint scanner, and the latest Android 14 running with Infinix's custom XOS skin, all of which round out a well-balanced and powerful smartphone experience. With its massive battery, flagship-tier camera, and high-performance specs, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus is poised to appeal to power users who want premium features without paying flagship prices.